Hey guys, one of the questions that I get asked all the time is what is the best way to set up an LLC? Now, I have businesses and I'm always talking about starting a business, but this is something that you want to have set up to protect yourself and your assets. So in this video today, I'm going to show you guys step by step how to set up an LLC for free in only a couple of minutes. You guys ready? Let's go. Okay, first let's talk about what an LLC is. And if you already know why you need it and want to go straight to how to set it up, I'll put the timestamp in the description below so you can just jump ahead pretty quick. All right. But I want to quickly cover what it is and why you need it. Now, disclaimer, I am not a tax professional, but you do not need to be a tax professional to do this. This is something that anyone can do. All right. So what is an LLC? An LLC is, well, let's get technical. A single member LLC, because this is going to be just you. It's a type of business structure in which the business is owned and operated by a single person. Now, this person is a pretend person, but it's recognized by our government. The LLC would have a bank account in which you would go set up once your LLC is established and have all your income and expenses housed there. If something ever went wrong, like the business owes a lot of money or gets sued, you wouldn't personally be responsible for paying back the money or dealing with the lawsuit. The LLC would. So overall, forming a single member LLC allows you to run a business as a separate legal entity, providing liability protection for your personal assets while also offering some tax benefits. Now, I am not going to get into the tax benefits because I am not a tax professional and your girl's LLC is not going to get sued. So in a nutshell, if you sell a product or service, you need to make sure that you have an LLC to protect yourself. So let's go over to the computer and I'll show you how to get it set up. All right, now this is the only website that I recommend you guys do this through. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the link in the description below, and I'll also pin a comment in the comment section so you guys can easily access it. But we're going to do first, go to Start My Business. And then you're going to put in what entity type. So you're going to go over to LLC because that's what we're doing. And then you're going to pick out which state that you're from, because every state is specific in their rules and regulations that they have. So you want to make sure that you choose your state to get this started. Now, since I'm from Michigan, I'm going to choose Michigan. Shout out to Michigan. Now, these are the different prices that they have. Now, I told you that you get this for free, and you do, because look at this. The package fee is $0. It's free. But no matter where you are, you have to pay a state fee. This is required. And for Michigan, this is $50. For every different state, it's going to be different. So don't think that this is going to be the price for you. But what I love so much about this is that they do this for you for free. They prepare and file the articles of organization. They give you unlimited name searches, free registered agent service for a year, and unlimited phone and email support. So that's pretty cool. Now, what I would do is I would actually consider the Gold, because I think that this would be more targeted towards you guys and helping you. For example, the things that they include that I personally would not touch is that they do the IRS form for you, your operating agreement. This is something that you need to have. They do an EIN, business tax number, for you. This is free to do. You can go to irs.gov, but if they're going to do it for you already in this package, you might as well take advantage of that. And if you already have one, that's fine. They also have some more things like banking resolution, lifetime company alerts, online access dashboard, unlimited phone and email support, business banking account, which is pretty cool, and business tax consultation. So I'm going to use this one for this example. Obviously, if you are okay with doing your own operating agreement, just choose the free version right here. But in this tutorial, I'm going to go with the Gold package. The $349 one, I was looking at this and I don't think you guys need this at all. It's definitely an upsell of things that I don't really think that you guys need. You know, your domain name and business email, that does not have to be housed here. Free next day filing. If you need to have your LLC expedited, this may be more attractive to someone like you though. So it depends on everyone's situation. All right, but let's get started with the Gold package. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in my information right here and I'm going to blur it out so you guys will not be trying to track me down. But this is what you have to do. So you're going to put in your contact information and mailing address, and then we're going to get to the next step. Okay, so here they have the state filing time, and I was looking this up. 4 weeks is about standard time for the amount of time it takes to file an LLC, but you can get it expedited. So if you need this really quickly, they do offer this service to have it expedited for you at $50. So it's all upon your situation. This is very unique to your situation. So if you need it quickly, you can get it 8 business days, but you do have to pay a premium for that, which is $50. We're gonna go for the 4 weeks filing time at $0. All right, then this is where you're gonna put in your name for your LLC. I'm just gonna put Whitney's Prep. That's what I'm going with. I just made that up. And then designator. So you want to select a designator. This is how it's going to be like after. It's going to be like Whitney's Prep LC or Whitney's Prep LC without the periods. I like it with it standing just like this. So I'm going to have it designated like that. So this will be my official company name right here. So make sure you guys are thinking about this and that you already have a name that you want to choose, because this is important. It's going to establish your LLC and this will be the name it will be under. And then you can select the number of members. Since it's just me, a single member, I'm gonna put 1 here. And then you wanna put your business purpose here. So Whitney's Prep is to help people make money and build businesses. Okay, tell us what industry your business is in. So then they give you the industry keyword. Oh, they give you some different examples here. So hair salon, accountant, bar owner, social media. I'm just gonna put social media because I consider myself a content creator. And then it says, oh, it's not found. So let's see online, anything online. All right, what about finance? Okay, I'm gonna just choose finance right here, or personal finance, perfect. Okay, and then the company address. So this is really cool right here. So they do offer a professional business mailing address and virtual mail service. And this is actually very affordable. So when I was doing some research, well, I actually had to get one for myself, and I was paying, I think I paid like I don't know if it's $100 or it's pretty expensive, but I went to see this other site, and theirs is starting at $49 a month. And then it goes up to $89. So this is actually giving you a deal right here. So if you guys do not want to put your own home address for this, then you can go ahead and actually just purchase this, and you can cancel at any time. But this is just a way to make your information more private. But we're gonna go ahead and choose the Michigan version. And then you're gonna put your contact information again. Okay, so then they're gonna always try and upsell you guys. I mean, I'm just letting you know, but you do not need this stuff right here. So we're gonna just go, no thanks, I will pass on this opportunity. And then when you're gonna do this right here, so you are setting up an individual because this is gonna be just you. And then you're gonna be putting in your information right here. And then it's gonna easily let you put in your information right here. And then for ownership, then this is my own company, so I get 100% ownership. And then I'm gonna go to the next step right here. Okay, so it says Michigan requires an LLC to appoint a registered agent. So this is cool because they do provide this for 1 year for free. So if you are from Michigan, you need to have a registered agent. This would be what you would wanna do. So you could go ahead and sign up right here for it. Or if you wanna take the action and act as your own registered agent, you can do that as well. But for right now, we can just go to the free version right here. And if you don't want to have this after the year, make sure you just have it noted where you can cancel it. And then it gives you information about why you would use them as a registered agent. So read through this information to see if this is something that you would want to do. And this is where you put your employer identification number. So this is your 9-digit number. I got mine from the irs.gov for free. This is something you guys can do if you live in the US. So if you don't already have one, you can get one that way. Also, I am from the United States, so it says I am a foreign individual and I do have a social security number, so I'm gonna put no there. Just click here to put my information here, and then I'm gonna put in my social security number. And then put in my physical street address, and then want to go to the next step. Now here they also let you set up small business banking. This is completely optional. This is something that you do not have to do. I went out and got my own bank with Chase, but this is just something that I did. If you guys want an easier route and to go with Bank of America, this one they already have set up for you. So this could be a quick and easy way to get your business bank account started. So this, once again, is completely up to you and your schedule and how you like to do business. But you can answer it with questions right here. I'm gonna say no, not at this time. And then go to next. Then they're gonna offer text strategy, free consultation. I'm gonna say I'm not interested at this time, and we're gonna keep it moving. And then it says business license and permits. So we've identified 6 licenses for your financial business in Michigan. I'm gonna say no thanks, I'm gonna do this myself. Okay, so this is, we're gonna review our order. We are in Michigan. We have all our stuff in here. And that is simply how you set up your LLC. So once you press next here, then it's gonna be where they want you to include your credit card information to pay for it. And then you'll be set up and complete and pay. Okay, so that's how you can easily set up your own LLC for free. So you guys have no excuse not to get started. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. And if you're a mom watching this, check the description and my pinned comment below because I have something really special for you guys, all right? Now, I'm always talking about new business ideas and how I made 6 figures in under 2 years. And I have a video on how I completely have it now on autopilot, just generating me money every single day. So if you guys wanna watch that video, I'm gonna put it right here. And as always, to the people who have made it to the end of my videos, please let me know in the comment section that you made it by simply commenting, I made it, all right? I love you guys and have a great day.